Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn how to make a simple circuit. We are doing this work on Tinkercad. First we will name our project Simple Circuit. Now we will need an LED bulb, a resistor, and we will also need a light switch and a coin cell. We will place our light here. Now we will take the negative side of the coin cell here, and then we will connect it to the cathode. After that we will connect the positive positive side of wire of the coin cell here. Now the resistor will come here. Terminal 2 will be connected to the anode. Connected, and the terminal 2 will be connected to the terminal 1 of light switch. Okay, now a resistor always has negative wire, so the basic colors are green and red, so we'll do them red, and this will be positive, and this is black. Black is also known as positive. Now when we press the start simulation button, as you can see the bulb is lighting up, and when we stop, it's not. The light switch is used. When we press it, the bulb is off, and when we start it, it's on. Thank you.